So I know a lot of y'all out there wondering how much earnest money you need to put down when you sign an offer to purchase a home. And I'll tell you honestly, I wouldn't want to put hardly anything down when I purchase homes. Not a dime if I could, but we can't. We have to have some sort of what's called consideration. So you might ask yourself, why should I listen to you? Well, my name is Rock Daniels. I've been in the real estate and investment and contracting business for over 20 years. If you like my videos, hit the subscribe button, all right? So what is earnest money? So earnest money is a deposit that a buyer makes to demonstrate their commitment to purchasing a property. The deposit is held in a trust account by the escrow company or a real estate agent until the closing of the sale. If the sale goes through, the earnest money is typically applied to the purchase price of the property. If the sale does not go through, the fate of the earnest money will depend on the terms of the contract and the reason for the sale falling through. Well, how much money is typically required for earnest? Well, the amount of earnest money required in a real estate transaction can vary greatly depending on a variety of factors, including the location, the type of the property, and the current market conditions. In general, the amount of earnest money required is a percentage of the purchase price and can range from 1% to 3%. For example, if the purchase price of the property is $500,000, the buyer might be required to pay an earnest money deposit of $5,000 to $15,000. The amount of earnest money required can also depend on the buyer's financial situation. For example, a buyer who is able to make a larger down payment may be required to pay a smaller percentage of the purchase price as earnest money. So in conclusion, earnest money is a deposit made by a buyer during the purchase of a property that serves as a good faith deposit. The amount of earnest money required can vary greatly depending on the variety of factors, including the location, the type of property, and the current market conditions. So as a potential buyer, it's important to understand what earnest money is and how much is typically required in order to make informed decisions about your real estate transactions. So remember, if you have any questions or you just like any more information, contact me, Rock Daniels, your local realtor. Otherwise, bam, smash that subscribe button and hit it for notifications so that we can stay in touch right here on YouTube.